What up? It's your boy Gmod Gaming here, and I'm making another video with shotgun. Say hi.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Yeah, so we're playing some Gmod Z. It's right there. Yep, Obelisk Gaming, and we're just gonna kill some people and see what we can do. Yep. And he's in a chat with me right now, Steam chat. So if you guys hear him, yeah, that's him. There's a guy up top up here. I don't know where he is, but I saw him a second ago. He killed me. I'm gonna loot these crates because I don't know if they're looted yet. Nope, they are. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, there's definitely a guy up here. Oh wait, maybe he left. He's got a deagle. Okay, let's go through town. Two guys walked out. Oh, there's another one. I'm gonna probably die. Yeah, this guy's shooting me up, bro. Help me. I'm getting banged up pretty hard. Okay, wait for me, oh, good kill, good kill.
I need help.
Heal. Here you go, here. Two, oh, dropping two right now. There you go. Take that. Yep. Yeah, I'm grabbing it all. There's a guy walked out just all the way down at the end. He just walked out. Come here fast.
I'm walking backwards.
Yeah, he walked out right in front of me. Shoot. Where did this guy go? Oh, I see him. He's right next to us. He's right behind here. Right behind this thing, I think. Oh, what the heck? I saw his nameplate. Pretty sure. That's weird. Okay, let's keep going. Let's see. Yeah, we got a couple kills right there. I don't know who we killed. We killed...
You killed one, I killed two.
Yeah, you killed AK, I killed Jaco, and you killed Hunt You Down. Where? Oh, I see him. Kill him. Got him. Yeah, that wasn't the guy. Let's get out of here. I don't want to stick around in this. Heli's right over here, and I think it's good. No, I don't think it's good. Never mind. There's a dead loot. Oh, yeah, enemies. Come here. Guys, there's guys over here. They're right along this road. Oh, there's one up top, too. They're on this... Here, wait. Let's go and kill this guy upstairs first. He's got an auto shot. Oh! He's in the window. Shoot.
Oh, I died.
I'll get him. Give me a sec. Got him.
Nice. Get my stuff and if you have room.
Yep. All you had was an XM, right?
I want to keep my KD.
Oh crap! Yo, he was loaded. Yo! Get back here. Loaded.
I have to come back.
No jokes.
I just wanted that house that no one goes to. It's in this house. Near the thing. Pick all that stuff.
I'll take your stuff if I can carry it. We'll see.
If you pick it up, and your things will disappear. So.
Yeah, I know.
Just drop the UMPs and stuff. Take all the rare guns.
No, I got everything pretty much. Yeah, I got everything exactly. Oh, 69 painkillers. Wow, what a success. Oh, guy just walked in. I don't know if he has a gun. Oh, that was bad aim. No, got him. He was a freshie. I've only got a couple shots left, so get in here. Yo, I got so much loot from that guy. We gotta go to safe zone. Get in here, and I'm gonna put the slam down.
Three minutes. Someone else. AKA is up here with the thing.
Get his crap. Oh, another guy right. Coming. I got him. Yeah, I got him. One deeked.
Do you have anything else? Anything?
I have a crap ton of loot on my guy. Come and take this loot over here in that box, and then come back. Go grab that loot and come back. I'm gonna put a slam down.
There's nothing here. Just in case you die.
Yeah, get inside here. I'm gonna put a slam down and then I'm gonna run. And we're gonna camp in here until my timer's done.
Alright, you have no ammo?
I'm putting it right here, so you might want to move. Yeah, I have ammo. There you go. Watch out. Let's get out. Come upstairs. I've got plenty of stuff. Here's a sword for you, just in case for now.
Yeah, I have an AK.
And then, oh, use that. It's better than the AK. There you go. I've only got a little bit of bullets, but here you go. Boom, and then I'll give you. There you go, and then I'll give you. Okay, that and this fast. Take that stuff. There you go. I'll just tell you the truth. I have a crap ton of stuff on me. Like my inventory's full. You'll see in the vid later. I really want to make it back to safe zone with this stuff. Oh, did my slam didn't kill somebody. I thought it killed somebody. Oh, guy coming.
Oh, fuck, I'm sorry.
He scared me. I don't know why he came up punching. Maybe he had no ammo.
Should I go to silence room?
Yeah.
Alright.
Wait, on the M4A1?
I'll take out the sword or whatever in this one. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna keep getting a timer. You might want to kill everybody.
Okay. I'll stand right here.
Heli spawn. Come on.
Oh, fuck this.
Get in right click.
I'll get in first.
Yeah. Watch, he's dead. He's dead.
Good.
He almost walked in that tripwire, but he didn't. That was gonna be hilarious. Is he punching it?
It's punching out. Someone's punching me.
Yeah, it's okay.
Oh my god. My thing is stacked. I'm so fucking stacked.
My guy's stacked too. Dude, I have freaking.
Not with guns, but like with ammo.
Yeah, I have 3 Deegs, 4 XMs, 3 Scouts, 5 AKs, 52 painkillers, 100 sodas and bananas, 7 health kits, and 81 leg braces.
Nice. I got 99 leg braces.
Nice.
I got 12 health kits, 1 AK, 1 F31, sword, my son.
Oh, is this guy? I think this. Do you have ammo?
Yeah.
Oh no, he's a freshie. He's a freshie. Yeah, let's go back to safe zone in a sec. I got a minute timer.
Yeah, what's your timer at? Alright.
How high can heli go?
Should I stay inside? I'm sorry.
Just keep going up.
I can't see the ground. I'm in the corner.
Whoa!
I don't see the shoes.
Go down.
Go down. We're gonna die.
There we go. Oh, that was a close one. It like started moving.
Yeah.
I'll lower down more. I see a guy down there. Ghillie suit.
Yeah, me too.
20 seconds.
I like to see the I was pressing the eyes in first person. 20 seconds, nice.
Then we'll go out, kill a couple more people, and then I've got to go. Okay, let's see. Okay, 4 seconds. Here we go.
That's fun. Nice. Just make this stuff. I'm gonna use the M4A1.
Okay, let me salvage a lot of this stuff. Boom.
Yeah, you're recording, so if you guys want to
yeah. Are they punching it?
Yeah. They're moving everything, I'm not sure.
Noobs. Okay,
I gotta shift to the videos and the vision stuff.
I just salvage a lot of stuff because I need money. Okay, I'm gonna land real fast right here, and then I'm gonna reload my weapon and get some more ammo and stuff, and then I'm gonna go. I mean, yeah, we're gonna go. We're gonna go out.
Should I take the M4A1 or should I take the shotgun?
M4A1. You're doing better with the M4A1 right now.
I didn't.
You didn't?
No, I don't put any more shotguns.
Well, then you have more ammo. Just stick with the M4A1 for now. Oh my gosh, people keep pushing heli. It's really annoying. I'll be honest, it's getting on my nerves.
Yeah, it's called, yeah, you can go soda cans and
Yeah, I do. Just trade me if you have a crap ton of them. I bank painkillers, leg brace, banana, and soda cans. I bring like 10 with me each time.
And that's 199 bananas.
And then 94 soda cans.
Oh, that's fine for 94. 65. 65 sodas. I'm gonna give you 13 paper because I'll bring 10.
Okay, get in heli. Get in heli. Yep. Okay, let's get out of here. So yeah, guys, his in-game name is Shotgun. You guys just saw it. Shotgun. Yeah, right there. Yeah, you guys know it. Okay, let's get out of here. My name is Shadow Wolf XXX. Or yeah. So let's go and kill some people. You, what's up? You.
Let me see, yo.
Yo, what up in the hood? Okay, I really want to land and get that sniper ammo.
I just jumped out and get it in my perspective. Oh, I took off too.
Ethan told me to give him heli and he'll trust me again. And I was like, dot.
No.
Yeah, I know.
I don't like him. He's no protecting me. So that's the squad nice and 38 bananas and 99 red braces.
I told him I can't right now. I'm making a vid. Okay, we're gonna kill this guy. Ready? Jump out and kill him.
Alright, just
go. There's another one.
oh, it's Jack. Oh, it's my friend.
Oh, that stinks.
You might watch something.
On vid. Oh, he had a bunch of stuff. Okay, let's get out of here.
Yeah, sure. I might even play full game just because of useless stuff. I'm gonna use this.
Oh my gosh, Ethan's being retarded. He's like, he's like, see, I knew you'd do that, you liar. You said you'd make vids with me on this and me only. And I said, but we're not friends anymore. That's what you said. He told me we're not friends anymore, so I was like, okay.
Yeah, let's kill him.
Yeah, guys, so I got mad at him once, and then I killed him, and then he got, okay, we're killing these guys. And then he got pissed off at me. I'll continue the story in a second, guys. But we're going to kill these guys real fast. I'm lagging a bit. Almost killed one. Stay up here with Ellie. I'm gonna jump down and go and kill him. Alright, Dave, bandit skins too. A bandit skin and another ghillie inside. I'll try to get him. Give me a sec.
Oh, sorry, right next to the where you want it?
Ethan? I'm getting. Stay there and we won't kill you as long as you guys stay in there. Don't kill him, don't kill him, don't kill him, don't kill him. I'm gonna take his friend's stuff and I'm gonna get out of here. Don't kill him. Don't kill him. It's Ethan. I told him as long as he stays near there we won't kill him. Let's get out of here. Get in heli fast. Get in heli, get in heli. Get in heli.
I know, but you shot him. Oh, he's coming soon.
Let's get out of here.
Go, 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 go.
Told you we won't kill you.
Yeah, we didn't kill you. I had a chance to kill you, but I didn't.
Is he really shooting at our heli?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go kill him now.
I don't have a lot of ammo. I don't have 8 ammo. Let's just go. Let's go.
No, I want my payback. He's almost dead. He got killed. He got killed. Get back in. Get back in! Somebody's sniping. No, jump out, take his loot, and then come back. I'm gonna drop you off right by his box.
I can't.
You can't?
I don't want to.
Who's sniping? Let's figure that out first. I'll take the risk. Stay in the heli. Stay in the heli. I'm gonna grab this. I'm gonna park it right here. Grab the stuff.
He's in the house.
It's cool. It's cool. Give me a sec. I'm taking this stuff and I'm getting back in. Let's get out of here.
Alright, nice. He's in the house with this guy. I don't have 8 bullets.
Yep, I see him. Okay, we're gonna kill these guys, I think.
Just please go back to station.
You wanna go back to safe zone right now?
Yeah, just
Take the heli and go. You take the heli and go. I'll try to kill these guys. I don't have much to lose. Except bad hitboxes.
There's like 3 people there.
Yeah, I know. They're all shooting at me too. If I kill these guys, I'm dead. Oh, these hitboxes suck. Okay, guys. Anyway, that's going to be the end of our first video. Well, second video together. And this is going to be Gmod Adventures with Shotgun. So, say bye. Bye, YouTube.
See ya.